You don't wake up one morning and decide to give up on your dreams. If it happened like that, you'd fight it, you'd feel it, you'd notice. But that's not how it happens. It happens quietly. At first, money is just background noise, bills, rent, responsibilities. Annoying, but manageable. You tell yourself it's temporary, then something shifts. Money stops being a concern and starts becoming a filter. Every decision passes through it. You don't stop dreaming, you just start calculating. Not because you're scared of failing, but because failure suddenly feels expensive. One bad move now has consequences, missed payments, stress, shame. So you choose safe. Not because it excites you, because it feels responsible. That's when ambition starts shrinking. You still have dreams, they just get smaller, more realistic, more acceptable, more explainable to other people. You stop asking, what do I actually want? And start asking, what can I afford to mess up? Nobody warns you about this stage, because money doesn't kill ambition loudly. It doesn't crash into your life. It whispers. It convinces you to wait, to delay, to be practical. You stay in jobs that drain you. You postpone ideas that scare you. You tell yourself you'll start once things settle, but they never really do. What shows up instead is exhaustion. Not the tiredness sleep fixes, the kind that makes everything feel heavier than it should. You don't quit your dreams, you just stop feeding them. And slowly they starve. This is the real cost of financial pressure. Not debt, not low balances. But the moment you stop believing your life can actually change, the system doesn't trap you with chains. It traps you with comfort. Enough money to survive, not enough freedom to escape. And the worst part, you start blaming yourself. You tell yourself you got lazy, that you lost discipline, that you just don't want it badly enough. But the truth is darker. You didn't lose ambition. You were trained quietly to protect survival over growth. And once survival becomes the priority, dreams start to feel irresponsible. That's how ambition really dies. Not with failure, not with rejection, but with silence. If this made you uncomfortable, that's not a problem. That's awareness doing its job. Because the moment you see what's happening, the moment you name it, the system loses a little bit of its control. And ambition, it doesn't need motivation. It needs permission to breathe again.